Perfect. Hi, my name is Artem, and I was wondering if you ever been in a situation when you try to explain something at work, but nobody understood you. Raise your hand if you've been in such a situation. Alrighty, I see a lot of them. Perfect. We use empathy. Yeah, not alone here. At work, and sometimes outside of work, I've been in the following situation. I try to explain something, only to hear, could you repeat that, or I'm not sure if I follow. And then I realized, alright, probably my English is not so good. I gotta go to English courses. And I completed B2 English course, C1 English course, and then still, the issue remained the same. Occasionally, I still were receiving the same questions. And then, native speaker came to our team, and he had perfect grammar, amazing vocabulary, perfect pronunciation, but still, occasionally people didn't understand what I say. And then I realized what was the problem, and we both had the same issue. Our communication was unstructured. We give our information in really complex and unorganized way, so it was hard to digest for the listeners. And then I started researching different sources in the internet, how we can improve it. And the best source that I found was the book, The Pyramid Principle by Barbara Minto. And today I'm going to share with you the key insights from this book. Firstly, Barbara suggests to use SCQA framework, which stands for situation, complexity, question, and answer. Situation. It's what is normal, basically where we are. Then goes complication. What's happened? What is the problem? Or what are they trying to propose or suggest? Then goes the question. It should come in the minds of the audience. How are we going to do it? And then the answer, the solution. How are we going to do it? And let me show you an example of how it can look like. Let's assume that we have a company that provides services for doctors, right? Some healthcare company. And we ask to make a proposal for some product. And we describing the situation using this SCQA framework. Firstly, situation. We are providing service for our customers that allows them to make appointments for the doctors. This service should work 24/7, right? It should be always available and really reliable. Then goes complication. During the peak hours, from noon to 2 p.m., actually our users not able to make an appointment. They have an issue. It's really bad. So here comes the question. How we can improve the availability of our system? And here the answer. We gotta implement auto scaling. But the answer is not really clear right now, right? What was the reasoning behind it? It's not enough just to provide the short answer. Therefore, we should use the pyramid principle. As you can see, you should provide the answer first. It's on the top of the pyramid. Then, after the answer, should go supported arguments. What was the reasoning behind it? And then you provide the data, the numbers. Let's have a look into unstructured answer without using this approach. You see, it looks really messy, tedious. Firstly, person goes with the positive. Our developers will be happy to do that. Then it's hard to implement. I don't even want to go through it, right? When you see such text, it looks tedious and really unorganized, and you gotta make additional analysis to really understand the big picture. Therefore, if we will use the same words, but the pyramid principle, our answer will look as follows. We see our answer in the top of the pyramid. The issue can be fixed by applying auto scaling. And then we see supportive arguments. Cost increase, reputation, it's an interesting challenge, and then the data for every supported argument. For example, of course, no solutions without drawbacks. We gotta increase the number of money that we spend for infrastructure. We gotta hire new team members because we might not have enough talent, but it will improve the reputation of our service. It will bring us much more clients, to increase the data active users, It will bring also the positive return on investment. So all of those money that we spent on the infrastructure, hiring new talent, will come back to us as the revenue. And also, in general, it's an interesting challenge. Our employees will be happy, and also they will spend less time fixing some not interesting, tedious bugs from their customers, right? But here's the suggestion. Whenever you build this pyramid, you should start from the bottom. You should start first with gathering all of this data first, all of those numbers. And only then, once you've got it, you group them together, aggregate, and create supportive arguments. Then, once you have all of those supportive arguments, you aggregate them together, and in the top, as you can see, you get the answer. But when you deliver your speech, you should start from the top. Because it's the easiest way for the audience to digest the information. And that's pretty much it. I wanted to share these two frameworks, the pyramid principle and the SSQA framework. I hope they will help you to make your communication skills better. And whenever you will deliver them, they will be concise, direct, and to the point. Thank you for listening.